I hate it here already. I mean, right now it's looking a mess, but it's all gonna come out nice at the end. I'm hopeful. I know it's gonna come out nice at the end. I like it already. Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Sukari here, and it is another day of this home decor series. Today I actually got a delivery, so I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you all. So I have been stalking this chair literally since the summertime. I wanted this chair so bad, and then finally, like a year later, when I finally was like, all right, I've been wanting this chair for a year, I'm finally gonna buy it. It was out of stock, and then the few times it would come in and out of stock, they only had it in New Jersey, and at the time they were only allowing for you to pick it up from the store, and I was like, I'm not going all the way to New Jersey to pick up a chair. But I ended up signing up for those little notifications, and I never sign up for notifications, but something just told me, just put the notifications on and see what happens. And about 2 weeks later, I got an email saying that the chair was in stock, and they also would deliver it to my house for free. For me. I was like, oh my god, this is meant to be. I literally stopped everything else I was doing and brought this chair, and today it is finally here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together because I cannot wait to sit in this chair. Like the Instagram pics I'm finna get in this chair about to be fire, okay? They about to be so cute, and the chair really looks just so cute in my room. I cannot wait. But since we last spoke, a little update on my paint job. I ended up painting the end walls of my room darker and the light walls lighter. I actually like the two colors separately, but I'm not a fan of the two colors together. So eventually I think I'm just gonna paint the whole entire room the light color. But honestly, painting is a lot of work, and I just haven't found the energy to do that. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna live with the wall colors like this. It is literally huge. It's like taking up my whole entire room. This chair is so super big. I had to actually unbox it outside of my house because the box was too big to get in my house. And honestly, if the furniture would have been like an inch wider, it probably wouldn't have fit through my door. So I'm so thankful that it fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy together. Alright, so it seems simple enough. It came with these tools, so that's nice and convenient. And it also came with the instruction manual. That's obvious, all stuff. This is what furniture comes with. But anyways, let me know, do y'all actually use the instruction manual when y'all putting together stuff? Because I don't really use it, but I just look over it real quick. So I guess that means I use it. But I don't know, I'm just go ahead and put this together now. So this is the bottom portion, and it's supposed to be attached to part B, which is the middle section. It came in 3 pieces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unwrap this and then screw this to the part, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and put on my music, and y'all can go ahead and listen to this copyright free music that I'm gonna go ahead and throw in right now. Alright, you all, so I had to solicit some help. I finally got it together. The chair is so flippin' cute. You actually have to hold the Allen key and the wrench at the same time and like use one to help the other. It was a lot, but I got some help, and now the chair is together and it looks so cute. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the pillows in and then decide where I want to put this chair. I was gonna put it right there in that corner, but this chair is way too big for that corner, and it's probably just gonna sit out a lot. So I might just put it in the middle of this wall because this wall is super long, and that way if I put this chair here, I won't have to pay to put any artwork here, because I was looking at artwork and artwork is kind of expensive. So I might just put the chair right in the middle so I don't really have to put any artwork here, but it also comes out a lot, so I'm not sure. So I'm gonna put the pillows in and then see where I want the chair. Y'all, look how big this cushion is. It is probably like half the size of me. Like, look at this. This is crazy. When I ordered this chair, I thought that these were all actually connected. You know, like one of those like armchairs that you can get? But it turns out it's actually 4 separate pieces. So I'm fine with that. I actually like that because I can wash them easier like that. The bottom part I'm probably not going to be able to wash because it is too huge. But these I can probably wash more frequently. So I'm happy about that. Oh my gosh. I'm so thankful. I love this. Oh my gosh. All right, let me see where I'm gonna put this at. I can put it in the middle and then I can get like plants, like a whole bunch of plants to go over here and make it a moment and make this like the centerpiece. Or I can put it in the corner and put some, like, get a tapestry to go here. So let's see. It actually does fit nice in the corner, but I kind of want it in the middle still. Like, I don't know. I can always move it, but let me put my plants over there because plants help everything. I got this plant from Lowe's. Lowe's has plants for super cheap. I think this is a Palm Jumeirah or something, or maybe, no, I think this is a Majesty Palm. And then I got this beautiful plant potter. Actually just a basket that I put my plant in. This is from Target's Opal House collection as well. I'm kind of want my whole entire room to look like Target's Opal House collection because I love it so much. That chair is a part of Target's Opal House collection, and so is this little potter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this over here. Give it some life. I think that look cute. I think I might have did something. Oh my god, this is just so perfect. Look how big it is. Oh my god. I'm about to sit in this chair. I'm about to read a book. I'm about to meditate. Oh my god. I'm so thankful. I wanted this chair for so long. I was literally looking at this chair for a whole year online. I checked the website for it like once a week, hoping that it would go on sale. And a year later, it finally went on sale. I'm so grateful. I love this chair. It's the best chair ever. It's so, like, you can fit like 3 people on here. Really 2, 3 might be a stretch, maybe 2 people and a baby, but it's a great size. But ironically, I think it only holds 200 pounds, so I'm guessing it's not the best quality, but it is definitely cute. But to enhance it a little bit, I did go ahead and purchase these string lights from Primark. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some AA batteries in here and then string it around the perimeter of the chair because I think that's gonna be super cute in here, especially when it gets a little bit darker. Alright y'all, so here is my chair. It is so cute. I am so happy right now. Oh my god, it's everything that I could imagine. I put the string lights on it. They are so cute. It's just absolutely beautiful.